Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, today we're diving into one of the most popular business models out there, dropshipping. Whether you're just hearing about it or you've been thinking about starting, this video is for you. Today, we're covering Dropshipping 101, a beginner's guide. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party, like a wholesaler or manufacturer, and they ship it directly to your customer. Essentially, you never physically handle the product. Sounds simple, right? Well, it comes with its pros and cons. How dropshipping works. Let's break down the process of how dropshipping actually works step by step. Find a supplier. You need to partner with a supplier who offers products in your niche. This could be a manufacturer, wholesaler, or a dropshipping platform like AliExpress or Oberlo. List the products on your store. Once you've chosen the products, you list them on your e-commerce store. You can set your own prices, but keep in mind that the supplier provides a base cost. Customer places an order. When a customer visits your website and makes a purchase, they pay your retail price. Order sent to supplier. After the order is placed, you forward the customer's details and payment to the supplier, who charges you their wholesale price. Supplier ships the product. Your supplier then ships the product directly to your customer, and you keep the profit from the difference between the retail and wholesale prices. Why dropshipping is popular? Now that you understand how it works, let's talk about why dropshipping is so popular. There are some clear advantages that make this model attractive for beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs alike. Low upfront investment. With dropshipping, you don't need to purchase inventory upfront. You only pay for the products after you've made a sale. This drastically reduces your initial investment compared to traditional retail models. Easy to get started. You don't need a warehouse, stock inventory, or worry about shipping logistics. You can focus on building your store and marketing your products. Wide selection of products. Since you don't have to pre-purchase items, you can offer a wide variety of products in your store without any additional risk. Location flexibility. You can run a dropshipping business from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. All you need is a laptop. Scalability. Traditional e-commerce businesses may need more resources as they grow, but with dropshipping, suppliers handle much of the increase in work, allowing you to scale without as many growing pains. The challenges of dropshipping. Okay, dropshipping sounds amazing, but like any business model, it has its downsides too. It's important to be aware of these challenges so you can avoid any surprises. Low profit margins. Because it's so easy to start, dropshipping can be highly competitive, which can drive down your prices and profit margins. You'll need to carefully calculate your product pricing and shipping costs to ensure you're still making a profit. Inventory issues. Since you're not stocking products yourself, you rely on suppliers to keep track of inventory. If a supplier runs out of stock, your customer's order could be delayed or even canceled, which can hurt your business reputation. Shipping complexities. If you're working with multiple suppliers, shipping can get complicated. Different suppliers might have different shipping costs and times, which can confuse customers. Less control over product quality and shipping speed. Since you're not handling the products yourself, you have little control over the product's quality and the shipping process. Any issues your customers experience will reflect on your business, even though it's not directly your fault. Steps to start your dropshipping business. Now that you're aware of both the pros and cons, let's go over how you can get started with your own dropshipping business. Choose your niche. The first step is deciding what kind of products you want to sell. It's important to find a niche that isn't too saturated but still has demand. Research trends and identify gaps in the market. Find reliable suppliers. This is critical. Your suppliers will be the backbone of your business. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, Salehoo, or Doba to find trustworthy suppliers. Make sure they have good reviews, solid customer support, and reliable shipping times. Set up your online store. You'll need an e-commerce platform to showcase your products. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Shopify is especially beginner-friendly with lots of dropshipping integrations. Market your store. Once your store is live, the real work begins: marketing. Use social media marketing, Google Ads, influencer marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, to attract customers. Provide great customer service. Even if you're not directly handling products, customer service is key to keeping your customers happy. Respond to inquiries promptly, and make sure to follow up on any issues with shipping or product quality. Tips for dropshipping success. Here are some best practices to help you succeed in dropshipping. Build a strong brand. Don't just sell products, build a brand. Your store should have a clear identity, mission, and values that resonate with your target audience. Optimize product descriptions. SEO is crucial in e-commerce. Make sure your product descriptions are clear, well-written, and optimized for search engines. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase your products. Test and tweak. Success in dropshipping requires constant optimization. Test different products, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns to see what works best for your audience. Stay up to date with trends. The e-commerce world moves fast, and so do consumer preferences. Stay on top of trends and be willing to pivot when needed. And that's it for today's video on dropshipping. We've covered everything from what it is, how it works, and why it's such a popular business model, to the challenges and tips for getting started. Dropshipping can be a great way to start an online business with low upfront costs, but success will depend on your effort and ability to navigate the complexities. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below with any questions or experiences you want to share, and of course, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss out on more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your dropshipping journey.